I asked my friend if he thinks he could pick me up. I don't think he can. Homeboy came over here and picked me up the other day. I was like, oh my God, I wish he could come. Man, when he picked me up, he cracked my damn back. That shit felt so good. Maybe he fucked up my back. When he picked me up.
Mommy.
What?
That booty hurts.
Yeah, I know your booty hurts. Get in here and get your booty clean. Your stank booty. Get over here, AJ, now. Now. 1, 2. Get in the tub now. Oh my God, Kailani, you're finna knock everything over. Stop. She's over here climbing on every damn thing.